Hello, here is a step-by-step guide for declaring your foreign bank interest income using the French tax forms 2047 and 2042. The various resources to help you complete your income tax declaration in France are available in the description below. Please subscribe and support the channel for amazing content about expat life in France. Foreign bank interests are taxable income in France, except when stated otherwise in the double taxation avoidance agreements signed between France and various countries. Depending on the country of origin, these bank interests may or may not be eligible for a tax credit in France. In this video, I will explain the interest income not eligible for a tax credit in France. I have taken the UK and Indian bank interests from NRE and FCNR accounts as examples. The bank interests eligible for a tax credit in France will be explained in another video. French income tax declaration forms accept only euros as currency. So, all the income earned outside France must be converted to euros on the exact date of receiving the income. The Bank of France publishes the daily exchange rates for various currencies. You can download the rates in CSV format and open them in MS Excel, etc. The file will list each currency's dates and corresponding daily exchange rates. In this video, I have explained both the online and offline declaration methods. If you are submitting an offline income tax declaration, you can skip the online part. In both methods, we must declare the foreign income first in Annexure 2047 and then declare the final value in the main tax from 2042. Now, let us explore the online method of declaring foreign bank interest. I have already uploaded a step-by-step video guide for submitting the income declaration online. Please check the main video before starting this video. On the online declaration, make sure to check these two boxes related to income earned abroad. If not, you will not see the Annexure 2047. If done correctly, you will see Annexure 2047 as shown on the screen. Click on it. This is the starting page to declare all the income earned outside France. Click Next. On this page, you must check the box as shown on the screen. If not, you will not see the relevant lines to declare dividends, bank interests, etc. Now, we have come to the actual page to declare the foreign bank interests from lines 230 to 252. Let us take an example of 100 euros interest earned in UK and Indian banks. If you are from a different country, feel free to ask your questions in the comments below. I will explain in detail. First, enter 100 euros of bank interest directly in line 250. The system will automatically complete line 251. Then, enter the total value of interests earned in line 252. Click Next. The value added in Annexure 2047 line 252 will be automatically carry forwarded to line to TR in the main tax form 2042. If the value is correct, click Next. Finally, you will see the total interest value entered in line to TR. Now, let us explore the offline method of declaring the foreign bank interest. I have already uploaded a step-by-step video guide for submitting the income declaration offline. Please check the main video before starting this video. You can download the Annexure Form 2047 NK from the links mentioned in the description below. Let us take an example of 100 euros interest earned in UK and Indian banks. If you are from a different country, feel free to ask your questions in the comments below. First, enter 100 euros of bank interest directly in line 250. Then, enter the total value of taxable bank interests in line 251. Then, enter the same value of bank interests earned in line 252. Click Next. Finally, repeat the value from Annexure 2047, line 252, in line to TR on the main tax form 2042. Many frequently asked questions are answered on my website prasantragopathy.com under the income tax category. A few examples of these FAQs answered on my website. You can also ask your questions in the comments below and I will try to answer as much as possible. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of declaring the foreign bank interests. Remember, it's important to submit it on time and accurately to avoid any issues and penalties with the French tax department. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support the channel for amazing content about expat life in France and also other European countries. Have a great day.